Hello children, I am your maths teacher and we are learning basic operations on numbers. And first operation, that is addition, we have learned that, and we did at assignment 1, which is related to addition of large numbers, right? Arranging them vertically, right? Now let us go to the next topic. Today we are going to learn subtraction, okay? We are going to learn subtraction of numbers, okay? Large numbers, small numbers we have already learned. These are 8-digit number. This is an 8-digit number. This is also an 8-digit number, okay? Now let us see how we'll subtract. We'll do the subtraction, okay? Draw the line straight. Now, as we do in smaller numbers also, see 1 minus, start from the right side. See 1 minus 6 you can't do, so you will borrow 1 from here. So this will be 8, means 11. 11 minus 6 will give you 5. Then 8 minus 1 will give you 7. 8 minus 2 will give you 6. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 4 you can't do, so you will borrow 1 from here. Means 13 minus 4 will give you 9. 5 minus 3 will give you 2. And 7 minus 5 will give you 2. So this will be the difference between these two numbers. So what we are doing, we are arranging them vertically. The ones, tens, place, all should come in the same position. Okay? Just in the straight line like this. Okay? Vertically we are arranging the numbers. Okay? Now let us do another example of subtraction. Okay? Now going to the next example, see this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-digit number, and this is a 5-digit number. Okay, so you are subtracting a 5-digit number from the 8-digit number. And here also, first what you will do is, you will arrange them vertically. Now start from the right side. 3 minus 2 will give you 1. 5 minus 5 will give you 0. 6 minus 8 you can't do, so you will borrow 1 from here. 16 minus 8 will give you 8, and 0 minus 7 you can't do, so you have to, this is 0, so you will start borrowing from here. This becomes 10, and from this 10 you will borrow 1, and here 10. 1, 0, 10 minus 7 will give you 3. Then 9 minus 4 will give you 5. Then you will write these numbers straight away. Okay, so this will be the what? This will be the difference between these two numbers. Now let us straight away go to assignment 2. Okay. Now children, let us do assignment 2. Okay. Subtraction. So in the first one, they have already arranged it in the textbook. You can see they have already arranged it vertically. And they have given space like this to write the borrowing and all that. Okay. Now let us start the first question. This is the question 3, 6, 2, 5, 9, 8 and 2, 5, 1, 4, 8, 7. That is, you have to subtract this from this. Let us do it. Okay, start. 8 minus 7 will give you 1. 9 minus 8 will give you 1. 5 minus 4 will give you 1. 2 minus 1 will give you 1. 6 minus 5 will give you 1. And 3 minus 2 will give you 1. So this will be the answer. So this is the difference. So here there is no borrowing happening. See, all the numbers are being subtracted the same way as it is given. Okay, so the answer you got is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, this is the answer for the difference between these two numbers. Now let us go to the second question. The next number is 3, 6, 9, 4, 5, 2, 3 and minus 9, 8, 5, 7, 3, 2. So this also they have given it arranged vertically. We have to do the subtraction. Okay, this is 2. Next 3 minus, we'll start from the right side. 3 minus 2 will give you 1. 2 minus 3 you can't do, right? So you will here you can write it here. Okay, they have already given space, that is why. Okay, this is 5, right? This is 5, so you will borrow 1 from here, so this will turn into 4. So this will turn into 12. 12 minus 3 will give you 9. And this 4. Again you have to borrow 1 from here. So this will become 3. And 1 when you borrow, this becomes 14. So 14 minus 7 will give you 7. Next here, this 4 has turned into 3. Okay. So now 3. 3 minus 5 you can't do. So this you will cut and turn into 8. And you will borrow 1 here. That means 13 minus 5 will give you 8. Now 8 minus 8 will be 0. 6 minus 9 you can't do. So you will turn this into 2 and 16. This will be 16. 1, 6, 16. 16 minus 9 will give you 16 minus 9 will give you 7. Okay, and this 2 you will write here. Okay, so this is how you do. That is, you are minusing 3 minus 2, 1. This 2 minus 3 you can do. Borrow 1 from here. 12 minus 3, 9. And this will be 14. 14. You can, whatever number you are borrowing, you are writing it here. Okay, that is, if you don't have the space, you can write yourself at the side also, the way I did while doing the examples also. Okay, that is also fine. Okay, yeah, it was 15, right? No, 8 minus this was 16. Okay, so this way you can write the numbers borrowed over here at the top. Otherwise you can write at side also. Okay, same way, doing it in the mind, you need lot of practice. Only after that you will be able to do it in your mind. Okay, especially these are big numbers, so you can't say I'm borrowing 1, this will be minus this. You will have to write it somewhere on the top. It will be neat and clean and you will not have any confusion. While you borrow 1, you will be minusing 1. This 9 changed to 8. Same way. Okay, now let us go to the third question. Okay, now the next question is 1002160 and 985260. Okay, start from the right side. 0 minus 0, this you can't do. So what will you do here? This will make it 5 and you will borrow 1 here, so that becomes 10. 10 minus 6 will be 4 and this is 5. 5 minus 1 will be 4. And 1 minus 2 you can't do, so this you will change into 1 and borrow 1 means this changed into, this will be 11. 1, 1, 11. 11 minus 2 will give you 9. Then 1 minus 5 you can't do, so you have to start borrowing from here. This will become 0. This will be 9 and this will be 9 and again this will be 11. 11 minus 5, if you do, you will get 6. And 9 minus 8 will be 1. 9 minus 9 will be 0. So the answer will be 169440. Let us see once more. Okay, 0 minus 0. 0 here is 0. And 0 minus 6 you can do. Borrow 1. 10 minus 6, 4. Then, so this changed into 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then 1 minus 2 you can do. You have to borrow 1 from here. So this 2 will be 1. Then borrow 1 means 1, 1. 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Then here there is 1. 1 minus 5 you can do. And you have to, this is 0, this is 0. So you will start borrowing from here. That means if you take 1 from this 1, it will change into 0. Next one, you carry 1 here means this will be 10. And when you borrow 1 from this 10 also, this 10 will change to 9. From this 10 you borrow, this will be changed into 9. So these both will change into 9, 9. And the last one borrowing will go to this number, that is 1. So this 1 changed to 1, 1, 11. Now 11 minus 5 will be 6. Then 9. So here this 0 has changed to 9 now. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. So this will be the number. So this means it is 169440. Okay. The 0 has no significance. This is the number. Okay. Now next number given is this. Okay. So let us start from this side. 71358634 and 675105223. Okay. So let us start from this side. 1 minus 3 you can't do. So this will change to 3 and you are borrowing 1. Means it will be 11. 11 minus 3 how much? 11 minus 3 will be 8. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 8 minus 0 is 8. 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 minus 5 you can't do. So you'll have to borrow 1 from here. So this change into 0. That means this will be what? 1, 3, 13. Okay, 13 minus 5 will give you 8. Then 0. 0 minus 7 you can't do. So you have to borrow 1 from here. So this 7 will be 6 and borrow 1 means 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. And 6 minus 6 is 0. So the answer is what? 3, 8, 4, 8, 1, 1, 1, 8. Okay, so this is the answer. Now 5th and 6th question you will do it yourself. Okay, as homework. Okay. Now let us go to the next question.